Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving southwest from Warsop towards Troy. Entering Troy. This is a beaten road. The road on the left is the Craighead to Troy Road, and this road will take you to Craighead as well as communities such as Pike, Coleyville and Dump. Additionally, that road interchanges the Trelawney and Manchester parish border and can also take you to Hector's River Falls. On the left here we are passing Troy Primary School. On the right we are passing Troy High School. There are several caves located to the left in this area. Caves such as Singfield Hole, Hector River Cave, Hector River Sink 1, Hector River Sink 2 and Hector River Sink 4. On the right is the St. Silas Anglican Church. The road on the right will take you to Troy Seventh-day Adventist Church. On the left is the Troy Baptist Church. There are two caves located in this area. On the right you will find the Cocoa River Sink, and on the left you will find the Kinko's Cave. The sign on the left indicates Artimbede, Oxford, Balaclava is the next left turn, and Crawlin is straight ahead. Continuing straight ahead is the Troy to Edding Road, which will take you to Edding, Crawlin, Crownsland and Wilson's Run Cave. Additionally, you can find the Cocoa River flowing beneath that white bridge up that road. We are now making the left towards Artimbede. We are crossing the Hectors River. Within this area is the Trelawney and Manchester parish border. So we are leaving Trelawney and heading into Manchester parish. Entering Cowick Park. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.